Let's review last week's portfolio and the monthly review as well. So right now our portfolio is 1.7k. Overall, it's still on the positive upside 1.56%, and entire dividends earned is for 403 for the past month. It went downside 1.55%, and for the past week, so past month it's showing 106, so we got another 23 in SVL, so it will be like 132 dividends. For the past week, our portfolio went up 0.62% up. Let's go to the activity and check last week's updates. Last week, we got a dividend from QILD 6.59. We got a dividend from IEP 27.28, and it was reinvested to IEP itself. So that is an automated reinvestment and that is happening only for IEP. Not sure why and how to deal with it. So right now we are not buying any more stocks of IEP, but the dividend reinvestment, let it go to IEP. We'll decide like if whether we need to sell out the entire dividend or not, entire IEP share or not. Next one is the dividend we received from QLD 6.7. We invested to Costco 6.5, 6.7. Why? Because there was 0.11 we received from Costco itself, so we added up 6.59 plus 0.11 to 6.7, and the quantity we got is 0.01193. Next, on Friday, we received a dividend from SVOL 23.75. So this is as expected. So we are expecting 23.66 for our 23.6 for our legal subscription. So it's more than 23.6. So this is correct. Let's go to the holdings tab. Let's review our best three and worst three performing shares. SVOL is yeah. So best performing three stocks are Costco 6.56, Tesla 559.18 upside, it's 5.92 upside, and EPD. So this continues to be Costco, Tesla, and EPD. And the worst one is IEP. We lost around 26.69%. MAA, all the realty shares are coming down. So it's a 13.84 and TLTW 13.14. So basically it's too much low, but we'll keep on. We'll stick for time being. Let's go to our borrow chart. So we didn't have any activity last week, but I put $5 into this. So we'll see like it will come into effect the next week. The past bills we are seeing like we started our loan on August month, so it was only not the full amount 9.11. So September 30, this is the full amount per month. So if we invested more than, we have to make sure like when we put back more than 14.02 every month, so the next month it will be less. So this next month can be for one more extra day, so we can see like how much it will come on October. So that is this. And let's see our liability chart. Liability. So we invested $1,000 in Tesla and $1,000 in TSLY plus the dividends we received in TSLY. That also we invested. Still, it's less than whatever the initial amount, $1,000 for TSLY. And Tesla, it's still holding up. It's more than $1,000. So let's see. Let's review for the next time also. So we'll see if TSLY can cross this Tesla. Let's go to our dividend news. This week, SPL declared dividends and they paid it. So the ex-dividend date was 27 2023, and they paid the same amount, point 0.3. So there is no change in the dividend redistribution from last month. Let's go to our fire date calculation. This week, based on the calculation, right now we are getting 134.95 as the monthly dividend. So our target right now it's 52.69 per month. So we are back, long way back. And right now with the calculation of fire date, it's 2206. Last week it was 2208 year. So we saved around 469 days. Fire dividend that I'll receive at that time is 1 million, 1.2 million. At that time, my age would be 222. So the change happened is like TSLY, the average monthly dividend calculation, now it became 0.61. And also all other monthly dividend calculation happened. So the extra increase in the stock is IEP. Now we have 28.61 shares. And Costco, we have 0.127994 shares. But the yield, the cost, total cost didn't change because we bought with the dividend. So we don't calculate, add the dividend amount, dividend investment into the total cost. The total cost still keeps the same, and the yield on cost, overall yield on cost is 16.95. Still, it's on the high side, so we'll prefer to keep like that. Let's go to the monthly review of our dividends. Financial independent age, month-wise, we started on December 2022. Started with 467 as my financial independent age. It got reduced month. So August it was 218, and because TSLY reduced the dividend, it was up a bit, 222. We closed September with 222. Let's see how the dividends, average monthly dividend and the actual dividend received. So December we started with zero dividends. The calculation showed 7.94. It was 2.16 we received actual dividend, and then got increased as we started investing in TSLY. So this month we received the actual dividend we received is 133.54, and the average monthly calculation of the dividend is 134.95. So it's still, we'll see next month.